Evening folks, doing a mini challenge for Simon's Global Auto. Top 2 get in spots in the main. Allocated. Challenge. Live, what are you doing, Dale? Christian. Dragon. Putting that list in the randomizer. 7:52 PM local time. Christian on top. Dragon at the bottom. Dice roller. 2 dice. No snake. Eyes. It's 6. Good luck. Looking for the top 2. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times RJS and Christian on top. One more time, 72. Congrats to spot 4 Dragon on top and spot 3 Christian grabbing the next spot down. Had to get 6 spot times to go 6 times. Verification code at the bottom. Spots 4 Dragon and 3 Christian grabbing the top 2. Congrats. Getting spots in the main. Challenge complete.